Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and if you are new, hi, my name is Shanny. Hopefully you decide to subscribe. But in today's video, I did get some new stuff from Becca, so thank you so much. This is the under eye brightening corrector and the First Light priming filter. This primer looks so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna try this out, and I'm also going to be using my Makeup Shayla. I just dropped it. I'm also going to be using my Makeup Shayla palette. I really wanted to do like a gunmetal smoky eye with this color named Titus. I really like the fact that she named this color Titus. Like, oh, that's so sweet. But anyways, yeah, I'm going to be using her palette today in this video. If you guys want to see the whole collection, I have a video on it. I will link it in my cards and or down below in my description box. So I think that's all I have to like say for this intro type of thing. It's really not an intro. I already did my eyebrows off camera, and I used the dip brow from Anastasia in the color Ebony. And to carve out my eyebrows and prime my eyelids, I used the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut. I just bought another one. Oh, here it is. Right here in Chestnut. So that's what's on my eyelids, and then I set it down into place with the Sasha Buttercup setting powder, of course. For my transition, I'm taking Revenge, and I'm using my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just going to take this in the crease like so. I know in my review video when you guys told me to make my eyeshadows pop more, go in with a lighter base, but honestly I don't like the lighter base thing. A lot of people do it, but I don't like the way it looks. Especially on me. I'll do it sometimes depending on the look I'm doing, but majority of the time I just want the colors to pop on my skin tone. Like, why do I have to go in with a lighter base? I don't want my brow color to look this color, you know what I'm saying? I just don't like that light base trend. Now don't get me wrong, I do go a bit lighter sometimes. Even when I try to go in with a lighter base, I don't make it hella light. You get what I'm saying? I want my whole face to flow, and it doesn't flow when your whole face is a whole different color than your brow bone. So that's why I don't do it all the time. I felt like that was a little rant. Alright, so I'm going to go in with Played Out, which is the brown color in this palette, and take that into my crease. And I'm using my Morphe M514 brush. So I'm just popping that into the crease on the outer corner. And I'm stopping like midway. I'm stopping like right here. To prime my eyelids, again, I'm using the NYX pigment primer, and to put this on, I'm using my Sigma E54 brush. Now I'm going to take this eyeshadow brush right here, and I'm going to pick up Titus and put this all over my mobile eyelid. Now I'm going back in with Played Out to deepen up this outer corner again. This is such a pretty look. I'm not going nowhere, but this is so cute. Y'all, it's so bad. I really don't go anywhere. Like, I don't have a life at all. Unless I go see my best friend or my friends are in town. I'll be doing nothing. If I'm not at work, the only thing I go and do is go to the gym or go out and take pictures for the gram, which is always a fail because my pictures don't ever come out how I want it to come out. But yeah, other than going to the gym, I don't be doing nothing. I'll be sitting here filming for y'all. Now I'm gonna go in with the ink liner from Makeup Forever. I love this liner. Let's talk about the gym. So I've been going to the gym for about a month now consistently. I started off going 6 days a week, but that only lasted for I think a good 2 weeks because I go so late. So now I try to go at least 3 days a week. So I've been in the gym, and I was feeling a little defeated because when I first started off going, I gained like 3 pounds every week. But my best friend was saying that I'm just probably gaining muscle right now, and muscle is heavier than fat, I think, which is what I want to do because I'm trying to get thick in the bottom half of my body. So I've been doing squats, and I do a lower leg workout every single time I go to the gym. I don't ever leave my legs out. So that's why she said I'm probably gaining weight. But this week I just felt really defeated because I took pictures and I compared it from last month to this month, and I do look a bit slimmer, but I basically don't look any different at all, except for my legs a tad bit. My legs are always the first thing that starts to show a difference when I'm losing or gaining weight. Now I'm taking this blue black color and smoking out this liner. But yeah, my legs are always the first thing that shows of me gaining muscle. Like, it's always been that way, even when I was in high school, when I was cheering, when I was dancing. That's always been the part of my body that will show the most difference. And my stomach is always the last thing to go, which is so annoying. So yeah, I've been in the gym and it's definitely a journey. I see why it's called a weight loss journey now, because it is definitely a journey. And I follow this one girl on YouTube, and she's on week 15, 16 of her weight loss journey. So she's kind of been helping me. My best friend has been helping me. If you guys follow Michael B. Jordan, he used to post Insta stories on his Instagram when he was like working out with his trainer. So I screenshot some of the workouts that he was doing, so I keep them in my phone. That's kind of been helping as well. But when I tell y'all, it's been a struggle. It's been a struggle. This whole video just went left. Like, I didn't think I was going to talk about that in this video, even though that's been something on my mind heavy lately, like just this whole workout journey. And it's kind of hard not to talk about because that's all I'm thinking about all the time. It's just like, yo, what am I doing wrong? So yeah, this is her right here, and she films her workout week and she uploads it onto YouTube, of course. And I've been watching her and she's really been helping, so shout out to you, Shay, because I definitely watch her videos. And it's like a realistic weight loss journey, if that makes sense. She's a real person on her weight loss journey and she's just filming it, and I think it's so dope. Eventually I might be able to open up about, you know, this weight loss journey, but well, I'm kind of opening up right now because that's what I'm thinking about right now. So I want to make sure I'm figuring out what works for me first before I let the whole world know what I'm doing, you know? So yeah, y'all definitely go follow Shay. Her content is bomb. I'm gonna do my lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, so my lashes are on, the glue is still drying. Now I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face with this new Becca First Light Priming Filter. I think I'm liking the way that feels. Why do I keep dropping it? It's probably too much primer, but I like the way it feels. Ooh. Okay, Becca. My skin feels refreshed, first of all. But this as a primer feels so good. And it has a little bit of tackiness to it, so my foundation is going to adhere to my skin really nicely. So my foundation routine today is going to be just like my spring beginner friendly makeup tutorial. I'm going to call it the lazy foundation routine. So I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut, putting it on the back of my hand like that. I'm going to take my damped beauty sponge, it's clean but it's stained, and take this right up under my eyes like so. Oh, another person that has been helping me out with this weight loss journey is Amber Martin here on YouTube. I'm pretty sure y'all know about her. Hopefully you do. If you don't, definitely go follow her. But yeah, she has lost 30 pounds. She looks so good. So if y'all need somebody to watch for a weight loss journey, because I'm pretty sure I'm not going to talk about this, y'all might see some updates on my Instagram and Snapchat, but in video form here on YouTube, I probably won't talk about this again for a minute. So yeah, now I'm going to take my NYX Total Control drops, drop it on my beauty blender in a circle. I didn't even use this. Dang, I really wanted to use it too, I forgot. I'll use it in another video. Okay, so I'm going to take the primer and put it in the center of the foundation because this primer has a glowing effect to it. So I want to keep that glow and I'm just going to press this into my skin. Alright, so I want my under eyes to be a little more bright, bring some more glam to this look. So I'm going to highlight my under eyes a little bit more. So I'm taking Fawn, putting it on my beauty blender, and I'm just going to press this up under my eyes. Alright, so that's on. Now I'm going to set my under eyes with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Now to set my face, I'm taking my E41 brush from Morphe, and I'm using my Sephora Micro Smooth powder, but it's not in front of me right now. Found it, Micro Smooth powder in 60 Deep. Contouring with the Fenty Beauty Match Stick in Espresso with my E4 brush from Morphe. Lazy nose contour. Now I'm lining my bottom waterline with some gel liner, and I'm using the sponge applicator brush from Real Technique to apply. Now I'm taking the black and smudging this liner out with my Morphe M431 brush. Adding mascara, and this is the Maybelline Shayla collab. I think I want to keep the inner corner blank, so I'm just going to go in with blush, and I'm using Desert Rose from MAC. My favorite blush ever. And I also like applying it to my nose. Spraying my face with the Hangover RX spray. Okay, so to highlight my face, I'm taking Boomin from Shayla's Colourpop collab, just in case you guys wanted to see how it looked on my skin tone. Ooh. I was scared to use this one at first because I thought it was going to be too light for my skin tone, but it actually looks really good. So if you're a deeper beauty like me and you're nervous about the lighter highlight, you can definitely wear it. Okay, so I think I want to blank out my lips. I want everything to be focused on eyes. So I'm going to go in with, was it Quickie that was really light? Yeah, I'm going to go in with Quickie. And I'm just going to pat it into my bottom lip and then press it into my top lip. No lip liner, but it actually looks really good. So now I'm taking Neat Freak, which is her lip gloss. And I'm going to put this right over. Press it into the top lip. Okay, so I just put this Colourpop gloss on top. When I ordered Shayla's collection, this came in it as well, so I guess this was a thank you for ordering. I don't know. This is the Karuchi Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip Gloss. Okay, so everything I put on my face is bomb. This was the only thing I used as a base, and usually I use two forms of primers, one to prime the rest of my face and another to fill in my pores, but this Becca primer did the whole thing. This Boomin highlighter from Colourpop is bomb. Shayla's collection, the eyeshadows from Shayla's collection were bomb. I really wish I was going somewhere right now. I'm really upset that I'm about to take this off and go to the gym because it looks so good. The gloss, the Karuchi gloss, y'all need that in your collection. Both glosses, y'all need that. The lipstick that I put on, Quickie, if you're brown skin, you can still wear it. It might be light, but you can still wear it. I think those are all the new products I tried in this video. The NYX foundation that I put on in this video, y'all already know about that. I did a video on it. I love this foundation. I didn't like it at first, but now I love it. I think that's it for this video. Like, everything came out bomb. I love everything. I'll list everything down below. And that wraps up this video. This is the finished look. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos from your girl. I love y'all. Thank you so much for coming back to watch another one of my videos, and I will see you guys in the next upload. Bye.